What if I told you that becoming a millionaire is not just a dream but a tangible goal that can be achieved in just 2 years? You might be thinking, yeah, right, Graham. Easier said than done. But trust me, I've seen it happen, and it's more within reach than you think. Today, I'm breaking down the exact steps you can take to put yourself on the fast track to financial success. We're talking actionable strategies, no fluff, no BS, just real, practical advice to help you build real wealth. So, if you're ready to stop dreaming and start doing, hit that like button and let's get started. Before we dive into investments and side hustles, we need to address the most important factor: your mindset. Becoming a millionaire starts in your mind way before you see the results in your bank account. Shift from a scarcity mindset to an abundance mindset. Millionaires see possibilities, not limitations. They create opportunities. Visualization is a powerful tool. Clearly define your financial goals, write them down, and vividly picture yourself achieving them. Imagine the feeling of financial freedom and the ability to pursue your passions. But it's not just about daydreaming. You have to back up those dreams with concrete action. Be specific with your goals. Break down that seemingly insurmountable goal into smaller, manageable steps. The satisfaction of ticking off those milestones will keep you motivated. Cultivate that millionaire mentality. Believe in your ability to achieve financial success, and you'll be amazed at what you can accomplish. Let's talk about making that money. A single 9-to-5 job isn't enough to make you a millionaire in 2 years. You need to diversify your income streams. Instead of relying on one source of income, create multiple streams of revenue. Investing in the stock market is powerful. Every investment comes with some risk, but the stock market has historically provided high returns. You don't need to be a Wall Street whiz to get started. Real estate is another fantastic avenue for building wealth. Consider rental properties or house flipping. Rental income provides a steady stream of passive income, while flipping houses can generate significant profits. Think about your skills and passions. Can you turn them into a profitable side hustle? Take a look at famous entrepreneur who started their business while still working a 9-to-5 and achieved financial independence in 2 years. You can do the same. Generating multiple streams of income is fantastic, but it's not just about how much you earn. It's about how much you keep and how you put that money to work. Get serious about budgeting. Track your income and expenses meticulously, identify areas where you can cut back, and automate your savings. Build a solid emergency fund. Aim for at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in a readily accessible account. This safety net will protect you from unexpected financial curveballs. Once you have your emergency fund, start investing. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow exponentially through compound interest. Think of it like a snowball effect. The longer you let that snowball roll, the bigger it becomes. Even small, consistent contributions can add up to significant wealth over time. You can't achieve millionaire status in a vacuum. The people you surround yourself with and the knowledge you acquire play a crucial role in your financial success. You're the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. If you're around people with a scarcity mindset, that's going to rub off on you. Seek out like-minded individuals on a similar path to financial freedom. Join online forums, attend local meetups, or connect with successful entrepreneurs online. Surrounding yourself with ambitious, driven individuals will inspire you and provide invaluable support. In the world of finance, knowledge is power. The more you learn about investing, money management, and wealth building, the better equipped you'll be. Dive into books like Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki, The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham, or The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel. These books will provide you with a solid foundation in financial literacy. Online learning platforms like Coursera, edX, and Skillshare offer countless courses on investing, personal finance, and entrepreneurship. Invest in your financial education, and you'll reap the rewards for years to come. Let's talk about the elephant in the room: debt. Debt is like a financial anchor weighing you down. It's crucial to avoid falling into the debt trap and to eliminate any existing debt quickly. One of the biggest culprits is credit card debt. High interest rates can quickly snowball into an unmanageable burden. Make it a habit to pay off your credit card balances in full every month. If you're struggling with credit card debt, explore options like balance transfers to lower interest rates or seek professional help. As your income grows, resist the urge to inflate your lifestyle. Prioritize saving and investing that extra money. The goal is to build lasting wealth, not temporary gratification. Track your spending. Use budgeting apps or spreadsheets to monitor your expenses and identify areas to cut back. Create a debt repayment plan. Prioritize high-interest debts first and consider strategies like the snowball or avalanche method. Avoid taking on new debt unless absolutely necessary, and if it aligns with your financial goals. We've covered a lot of ground today, from cultivating a millionaire mindset to diversifying your income, mastering your finances, and avoiding costly pitfalls. But none of it matters if you don't take action. Knowledge without action is meaningless. The time to start is now. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Pick one strategy, one actionable step from this video, and commit to implementing it today. Every millionaire was once a beginner. Subscribe to this channel for more financial tips, strategies, and motivation. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. Let's build this community of future millionaires together. Want to dive deeper into the world of investing? Check out our video on investing basics for beginners. Ready to explore passive income streams? We've got you covered with our Building Passive Income, a step-by-step guide. Your journey to financial freedom continues. So there you have it. Your roadmap to becoming a millionaire in just 2 years. It's not going to be easy. It will take hard work, dedication, and a willingness to step outside of your comfort zone. But trust me, it will be worth it. The feeling of financial freedom, the ability to live life on your terms, that's priceless. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more financial tips and strategies. Until next time, stay focused, stay motivated, and keep building that $1 million future.